Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Virtuoso, and on this channel I share videos on food, cakes, business and a bit of lifestyle. Kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button so that when I post new videos like this one, you'll be informed. In today's video, I'll be showing you the current prices of baking things in the market as at today. Baking things have really gone up in price, and let me know in the comment section what it is like in your location. I'm currently in Asaba. So most times clients call and you're like, prices are going up. So the prices of cakes have also gone up. Most times they tend to, act surprised, like as if they are not in Nigeria. Now in Nigeria currently, the prices of things are going up, and it's affected baking things. So this is me talking to all our clients. Things are going up, and definitely the prices of our cakes also and baked goods will also go up. Let me know in the comment section how you're coping with the current increase in prices as bakers. Also let me know how you are dealing with customers this period. How are you able to handle the increase in prices of these items? Are your cake prices still the same? Are they going up? So how are you able to communicate this to your clients? Let me know in the comment section.